Hello listeners, good morning all of you. I Dr. Tomar here with the compulsory English subject. Today we would be dealing with a lesson. The name of the lesson is Eyes Are Not Here, which is written by Ruskin Bond. In the last class we had dealt with the poem. The name of the poem was Felling of Banyan Tree. We are moving ahead day by day, and I feel you also, the students, my dear students, are also moving along with me. Today we are going to start a very good lesson which is very interesting, and I would suggest that all of you should see the video because you would love the story, and if you understand the story, it is very easy for you to answer any of the questions which would be there in your examination pattern, or we can say the university pattern. Today we are going to start with the story. The name of the story is Eyes Are Not Here, which is written by Ruskin Bond. Now let's begin with the introduction of Ruskin Bond first. Ruskin Bond is born in the year 1934. 1934, he is born in 1934. Again I repeat, in Kasoli, which is in Himachal Pradesh. Now Ruskin Bond grew up at different places. The first place where he took his education was Jamnagar. The second place where he took his education was Dehradun, and the third is Shimla. Moving ahead now, he has written many essays, novels, books and short stories. Now the prescribed, we can say that one of the famous story which we are having in our syllabus is The Eyes Are Not Here, and the other stories which made him very renowned or which made him very famous were The Night Train at Deoli, and one of the story, that is Trees Still Grow in Tehra, is one of the story where he has received Sahitya Academic Award. Again I will repeat the introduction. Born in the year 1934 in Kasoli, HP, that is Himachal Pradesh. He took his education at different places, Jamnagar, Dehradun and Shimla. He has written essays, novels, books and short stories. Some of the short stories have made him very famous. He has been awarded Sahitya Academic Award for his most famous story, The Trees Still Grow in Tehra, and Night Train at Deoli is also one of his famous story. Now we are going to move towards the story. I think you must have understood the introduction part of Ruskin Bond. I feel if you remember that we have done one of the story which is also a very famous story of Ruskin Bond. Do anyone remember that which is the story which we have done? I'll just give a hint to you. It is a story related with the girl. The girl is with the flowers of basket. She is moving here and there. Can anyone recall it? Can anyone help me to recall? Okay. None of them? Okay, this would be the homework for you. You are going to tell me in the next period, or you are going to WhatsApp me, or going to convey the message to me. Do you know the story? If you are going to be in link with me, I would know that whether you have understood the story or whether you are watching me or not. I am very positive, and my dear kids are definitely watching me. I am very positive about it. Now moving ahead, Ruskin Bond towards the story, the actual part where all of you must be interested. Now the significance of this story, this was the introduction related to the author. Now moving towards the significance of the story, I'll just give a hint to you. It is about the author, the narrator. Along with the narrator, the narrator met someone, and what sort of bonding or relationship has been developed between them, and in the end, just a clue to you, in the end, for something he repents. He repents for something which he could not express within the period of time, and throughout the life he repents for that. Even if you have any feeling in yourself about anything, I would suggest you that you should express it, because if it is too late, it is lifelong late. This is the conclusion related to the story. Let's begin with the story. Ruskin Bond, he is a blind fellow, the narrator of the story. He is the author of the story. Now, he is traveling in a train compartment. He is alone in the compartment. वो अकेले है, कंपार्टमेंट में बैठे हुए हैं और कंपार्टमेंट, ट्रेन के कंपार्टमेंट को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। अगेन आई रिपीट, रस्किन बॉन्ड अकेले है, ब्लाइंड है, अकेले कंपार्टमेंट में बैठे हुए हैं और ट्रेन में ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं। Suddenly he hears something, or heard by him. एक आवाज आती है, वो आश्चर्य के साथ इधर उधर देखने लगते हैं और उन्हें महसूस होता है कि someone else has entered into the compartment. Now let's see what happens. He is alone, someone enters into the compartment. He does not know who has entered into the compartment, but he is very curious to know कौन आया है उनके कंपार्टमेंट में. वो जानना चाहते हैं कि उनके साथ पैसेंजर कौन है कंपार्टमेंट में. But as I have told you, he is blind. He could not see who has entered into the compartment. He could just guess it. Now guessing कैसे करते? जैसे ही कंपार्टमेंट में कोई आता है, there was a tip tap noise which was heard by him. आपको मालूम होगा कि जो ब्लाइंड रहते हैं उनके सेंस ऑर्गन्स बहुत अलर्ट होते हैं. So his sense organ was also very alert and he could hear the tapping of the slippers and he could feel that someone has entered into the compartment, and one more guessing he could draw that a girl has entered into the compartment or a lady has entered into the compartment. He was curious to know about that lady. वो जानना चाहते थे कौन है, कैसी है, of what age she is. Now he tries to interact with that girl और वो उससे पूछते हैं, Where are you going? आप कहाँ जा रहे? आप देहरा तक जा रहे क्या? Because he wanted to know actually where the girl was going. So he asked, आप कहाँ तक जा रहे? आप देहरा स्टेशन तक जा रहे? He got the answer from the girl that she was going to Saharanpur. वो सहारनपुर जा रही थी. She was not going to Dehra. Now the girl asked Ruskin Bond, where are you going up to? The answer given by Ruskin Bond was, or the answer given by narrator was, that he would be first going to Dehra and then he would be going to Mussoorie. He felt something in his heart and he was feeling that he should share the further things with the girl. But the girl was left into the compartment by a woman. लड़की को कोई छोड़ने आया था and she was the aunt of the girl. Now the aunt or the woman who had come to leave the girl was very alert and very conscious about her safety. And therefore, she had instructed the girl to do 3 things before the train moved. She told the girl where to keep her belongings. She told that the belongings should be kept properly. अपना सामान अच्छे से रखना है. And second thing which the girl was told by the woman was how to avoid strangers. Strangers या अनजान लोगों से बात नहीं करना है. And the third instruction which was given by the woman or the aunt was that she should not lean out of the window. 3 बातें बताई थी आंट ने या वुमन ने जो लड़की को छोड़ने आई थी कि हमने क्या नहीं करना चाहिए, अपने बिलोंगिंग्स की चिंता करनी चाहिए, बराबर रखना चाहिए. सेकेंड थिंग, स्ट्रेंजर से बात नहीं करना चाहिए. एंड थर्ड, विंडो से झांकना नहीं है बाहर. Again I'll repeat just 2 minutes की story फिर से repeat करते हैं and the remaining part of the story would be told to you in the next class. Ruskin Bond, he's a blind fellow. He's alone in the compartment. He's worried who has entered into the compartment. But by the tip-tap voice of the sleepers, he could guess that the girl had entered into the compartment. Now the girl was left by someone. उसे कोई छोड़ने के लिए आया था. Woman had come to leave her. Aunt was there. She had given 3 instructions where to keep the things. Strangers को कैसे avoid करना है और windows से lean up नहीं करना है. Ruskin Bond was curious to know where the girl was going. इसलिए वो प्रश्न पूछते हैं गर्ल से कि where she was going. She said that she would be not going to Dehra, but she would be going to Saharanpur. लड़की कहती है या बताती है कि वो सहारनपुर तक जाने वाली है. Ruskin Bond himself gives the answer कि he is going to go first to Dehra and then he would go to Mussoorie. This much I think you must have understood the story. In the next class we would be moving ahead with the story. Join me in the next class so that you can know the story or understand the story. Thank you everybody.